Hey there, green thumbs! Welcome to our video on gardening for beginners. Gardening is a fantastic hobby that can bring joy, relaxation, and fresh produce right to your doorstep. In this video, we'll cover the basics of getting started with gardening. Firstly, let's talk about choosing the right location. Your garden's success depends on the spot you choose. The most common spots are your backyard or a sunny area in your front yard. Just remember to pick a location that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. This is essential for the growth and health of your plants. Next up, we'll discuss types of soil and how to prepare it for gardening. Different plants require different types of soil, so you may need to amend your soil accordingly. If you notice your soil looks more like clay than dirt, it might be time to consider adding organic matter like compost or manure. This will help loosen the soil and make it more conducive for plant growth. Once you've prepared your soil, it's time to mark out your garden area with stakes and string. This will give you a clear view of where your garden will be, ensuring you have enough space to grow and spread out. That's it for today. We hope this video has given you a great start on your gardening journey. Remember, gardening is a continuous learning process, and we're here every step of the way to guide you through this green thumb adventure. Thanks for watching our video on gardening for beginners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and advice on home improvement projects. Happy digging, everyone!